Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the new lesson of Beehive, chapter number 8, Reach for the Top. We already know that to reach on the top is the indication or mark of the success, and our title is Reach for the Top. It means that it is the step-by-step process, and its path to get success is not easy. It is always full of challenges, hard work, determination, guidance, and so on. Although the results are surely satisfying. So, Reach for the Top is a biological story that tells us about the lives of two great women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. It celebrates the achievements of these two strong ladies who achieved success despite hardships. The common thing between the two was that they defied all odds to pursue their passion and succeeded in it. In the first part, we will learn about how hard work and determination can help to reach at the top, and for that, there is a step-by-step process which should be followed in order to achieve success. These steps are determination, training, sacrifice as well. This chapter serves as an inspiration for one who is looking to find some motivation to pursue his or her dreams and walk the path of success. So, in the first part, we will study about Santosh Yadav. Have you ever heard the name of Santosh Yadav? She is the only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice. वो एक ऐसी लेडी हैं, वर्ल्ड में ऐसी लेडी हैं जिन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट को 2 बार स्केल किया है, यानी कि उस पर 2 बार चढ़ी हैं. She was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing, and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. वो एक ऐसी सोसाइटी में बोर्न हुई थी, पैदा हुई थी, जहाँ पर लड़के के जन्म को बड़ा वेलकम किया जाता था, उसको सेलिब्रेट किया जाता था, लेकिन लड़की के जन्म को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दी जाती थी. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man, giving her his blessings, assumed that she wanted a son. जब संतोष यादव का जन्म होने वाला था, तब उनकी मदर को एक होली मैन कहते हैं सेंट, संत, उन्होंने उनको ब्लेसिंग्स दी, ये सोच करके कि शायद उनको एक सन चाहिए. बट टू एवरीवन्स सरप्राइज द अनबोर्न चाइल्ड्स ग्रैंडमदर हु वाज स्टैंडिंग क्लोज बाय टोल्ड हिम दैट दे डिड नॉट वांट अ सन. लेकिन ग्रैंडमदर जो कि वहाँ पास में ही खड़ी थी, उन्होंने कहा कि उनको सन नहीं चाहिए. द होली मैन वॉज ऑल्सो सरप्राइज. अब इससे वो होली मैन यानी कि सेंट, संत, वो बड़े सरप्राइज हुए. नेवरथलेस ही गेव द रिक्वेस्टेड ब्लेसिंग, बट उन्होंने जो उनकी रिक्वेस्ट थी उसी के अकॉर्डिंग उनको ब्लेसिंग्स दी. एंड एज द डेस्टिनी वुड हैव इट, द ब्लेसिंग सीम्ड टू वर्क. और उनकी ब्लेसिंग से ऐसा ही हुआ. संतोष वॉज बोर्न द 6th चाइल्ड इन अ फैमिली विद 5 सन्स. इस तरह से संतोष का जन्म हुआ. वो फैमिली में एक 6th चाइल्ड यानी कि छठा बच्चा थी, और उनके पहले उनके 5 ब्रदर्स थे. शी वॉज अ सिस्टर ऑफ 5 ब्रदर्स. इस तरह से वो 5 भाइयों की अकेली बहन हुई. शी वॉज बोर्न इन अ स्मॉल विलेज ऑफ जोनिया वॉज ए रेवाड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन हरियाणा. इस तरह से उनका जन्म हरियाणा के रेवाड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जोनियावास नाम के गांव में हुआ था. नाउ सी द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. द गर्ल वॉज गिवन द नेम संतोष. उस लड़की का नाम संतोष रखा गया, विच मीन्स कंटेंटमेंट, जिसका मीनिंग होता है कंटेंटमेंट यानी कि सेटिस्फैक्शन, संतोष. बट संतोष वॉज नॉट ऑलवेज कंटेंट विद हर प्लेस इन अ ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ लाइफ. लेकिन संतोष को जो वो एक ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ लाइफ उस समय का ट्रेंड था, उसमें कोई संतोष नहीं था. मीन्स शी वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द ट्रेडिशनल वेज ऑफ दैट टाइम. शी बिगेन लिविंग लाइफ ऑफ हर ओन टर्म्स. इस तरह से उसने अपने अकॉर्डिंग अपनी लाइफ को जीना शुरू किया, फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, शुरू से ही. वेयर अदर गर्ल्स वो ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन ड्रेसेस, संतोष प्रिफर्ड शॉर्ट्स. दूसरी गर्ल्स उस टाइम की जैसा कि इंडियन ड्रेसेस को पहनती थी, उसने उस तरह के कोई ड्रेसेस को नहीं पहना. इनफैक्ट उसने शॉर्ट्स, इस तरह की ड्रेसेस को पहनना शुरू किया, प्रेफर किया। लुकिंग बैक शी सेज नाउ, और उन बातों को, उन दिनों को याद करके वो हमेशा कहती हैं, फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग आई वॉज क्वाइट डिटरमाइंड, कि मैं बचपन से ही, बिल्कुल बिगनिंग से, अपने माइंड से मैं डिटरमाइंड थी, कि मैंने निश्चय किया हुआ था दैट इफ़ आई चूज़ अ करेक्ट एंड रेशनल पाथ द अदर्स अराउंड मी हैड टू चेंज, नॉट मी, कि अगर मैंने कोई सही काम, कोई सही तरीके से कोई रास्ता चुना है तो दूसरे लोगों को मेरे अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना होगा, ना कि मुझे चेंज करना। इसका मीन्स ये है, इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम कोई काम कर रहे हैं और वो सही है तो हमें उसके लिए डिटरमाइंड रहना चाहिए, जिससे कि दूसरे लोग भी उसको फॉलो कर सकें। और अगर हमारा रास्ता, हमारा पाथ करेक्ट नहीं है, हम रेशनल नहीं हैं, हम सही काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, तब हमें अपने आप को बदलना पड़ेगा, ना कि हम दूसरे को चेंज कर पाएंगे। नाउ सी द थर्ड पैराग्राफ। संतोष पेरेंट्स वर एफ्लुएंट लैंड ओनर्स। Affluent means rich, wealthy, who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi. They were very rich, they had a lot of money, so they could send their children even to the capital city because it was quite close to their village. But it was the custom in the society at the time that the girls were not allowed to go out of the village for studies. So she had to satisfy with the local village school. But at that time, she decided that she would raise her voice against this when the right time will come. And that right time came when she was at 16. Because at that time, it was the custom, it was the tradition in the village that the girls used to get married. Her parents also pressurized her to do the same. Now she thought that she could get married at a very early age, so she threatened her parents that she would not marry until she get a proper education. So, in order to get the education, she left home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. And when her parents refused to pay her school fees, she informed that she will do some part-time work to pay her school fees. Finally, her parents had to agree to her. Now see the next paragraph. As she always wanted to get some education, and one after the another she wanted a bit more, and gradually her father also agreed to her. He also wanted to give the education to her, and in this way she passed the high school examinations and then went to Jaipur. There she joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Now she remembers that कस्तूरबा हॉस्टल फेस द अरावली हिल्स, जो उसका हॉस्टल था वो अरावली हिल्स के बिल्कुल सामने था. शी यूज टू वॉच विलेजर्स फ्रॉम हर रूम गोइंग अप द हिल एंड सडनली वैनिश्ड आफ्टर द वाइल. One day she thought that she would check it herself. She went there. She saw there were some mountaineers. They were going to another side. So she asked them if she could join them. And they agreed to her and even encouraged to her to climbing. From that day, there was no looking back for this girl. She was determined that she would be a mountaineer in future. To complete her desire, she saved some money and enrolled herself in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering because she wanted to be a mountaineer. She says that her college semester was to be ended in the month of April, but it ended on 19th May and she had to join the camp. She had to join the course at 21st May. So she did not go back home. Rather, she straight went for the training. After that, she wrote an apologizing letter to her father because without his permission, she got herself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Thereafter, उसके बाद संतोष went on an expedition every year. Every year वो किसी न किसी expedition पर जाती थी. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Matured rapidly means they were completely grown up. She became more resistant to the cold and the altitude. Altitude means height. and she was always equipped with an iron will. It was her strong weapon that she had. She was determined, she had a strong willpower, and wanted to be a mountaineer. She had physical endurance and an amazing mental toughness. All these qualities were there in that girl, and she proved herself one after the another expedition. In this way, the highest point of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992. उनका ये रिज़ल्ट, उनके सिंसियरिटी का, उनका हार्ड वर्क का जो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट था, जो उनका रिज़ल्ट आया, वो 1992 में आया. जस्ट आफ्टर 4 years आफ्टर शी had Shaili asked the Aravali mountaineers if she could join them. अपनी माउंटेनियरिंग को ज्वाइन करने के लगभग 4 years के बाद. एट द एज ऑफ 20 years, ऑलमोस्ट 20 years की वो हो चुकी थी, when she scaled Mount Everest and became the youngest woman in the world to achieve this feat. उन्होंने बहुत छोटी एज में माउंटेन एवरेस्ट को स्केल किया. Her climbing skills, physical fitness, mental toughness, these qualities impressed her seniors. उनके seniors इससे बड़ा impressed हुए. And her concern for the others. She also had some concern, some care for the other co-travelers, co-mountaineers, and she always had a desire to work together. In this way, she found a special place in the hearts of her fellow climbers. During the Everest mission of 1992, Santosh Yadav provided special care to her co-climbers who lay dying at the South Colonel. She was unsuccessful in saving him, but she managed to save another co-climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. अगर वो उनके साथ अपना ऑक्सीजन शेयर ना करती तो वो मोहन सिंह को भी सेव ना कर पाती, उनको बचा ना पाती. Within 12 months, Santosh Yadav found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition as they invited her to join that team. She then scaled the Mount Everest for the second time, and in this way she set a record as the only woman to have scaled the Mount Everest twice. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. इस काम के लिए उनको इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने पद्म श्री से अवॉर्ड किया. Describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said that it took some time for the enormity of the moment. Means it was a great moment for her to reach there. At that time, she sank in for some time. Then she unfurled the national tricolor, the Indian tricolor, and had it aloft. Means she held it up high on the roof of the world. At that time, she was feeling very proud, and the feelings, about the feeling, she says that it was indescribable. Means वो उनको उस feeling को describe नहीं कर सकती. The Indian flag was flying on the top of the world, and it was a spiritual moment for her. She felt proud as an Indian. Also a fervent environmentalist. Fervent means having strong and sincere feelings. एक सिंसियर एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट की तरह संतोष कलेक्टेड एंड ब्रॉट डाउन 500 kilograms ऑफ गार्बेज फ्रॉम द हिमालयस. उन्होंने नेचर का भी ध्यान रखा और इस तरह से 500 kilograms गार्बेज वो अपने साथ हिमालय से नीचे लाई. इन दिस वे शी सर्व्स हर कंट्री एज अ ट्रू इंडियन, एंड वी कैन नेवर फॉरगेट her achievements.